So Endpoint is hiring work from home contract team assistants. This is a part-time temporary position. It's going to start around mid-January and it's going to last about 12 weeks. So I encourage you to apply fast. My name is Azara Faith, work from home specialist. All the jobs I talk about on this channel either offer you time freedom, location freedom, or you have the ability to work from home, which just means I post work from home job leads, flexible work job leads, and gig economy. So Endpoint is hiring right now. They are hiring remote workers in the United States. They are looking for a contract team assistant. Now with this position, you're going to be reporting to the manager. You're going to support ongoing projects. It looks like you're going to need to be available to work a minimum of 20 hours per week and a maximum of 30 hours per week. Some of the major responsibilities you will do when you're hired is you're going to organize, declutter, and archive old documents. You're going to organize documents with SharePoint. You're going to work with contract managers to draft legal documents, and you may be assigned other projects. It does not have qualifications listed, which is a good thing because they're basically saying we're going to kind of look at the resumes and take it on a case-by-case basis. Some experience that they would like you to have is clerical or administrative work experience. Now, this is desired, it's not required. They also would like you to have experience with Salesforce. This is preferred. So anytime they say preferred or desired, it means that if you don't have it, you can still apply for this position. But if you do have it, it will be a plus and it will make your resume stand out. But what you do need to have is experience with Microsoft Excel and Word. Now, this is required experience, okay, guys? So this is something that is a non-negotiable for this company. Some of the skills that you'll need to also have is you'll need to have excellent organizational and time management skills with the ability to analyze large volumes of data. You're going to need to have strong attention to detail, good communication skills, and active listening skills. So when you click on this link to apply for the job, right under the job description, you're going to see apply now. One thing I thought was interesting about this company is that you can actually apply for this job using your LinkedIn profile. So if you have a LinkedIn profile, you can go ahead and apply with LinkedIn. Another thing that I wanted to point out about the application process, they ask, are you currently on layoff status and subject to recall by another organization? They allow you to select yes or no to that. Now, just a tip, if you happen to be laid off from another job, I would not encourage you to apply for this position because more than likely they're asking this question to find out if you are someone they even want to take the time to interview. Because if you're going to leave and go back to your old position, they're probably not going to hire you. They also ask, can you travel if your job requires it? Now, this is a remote position, which means it's a work from home position, but they do ask this question. I think this is really important for you to consider because some jobs, they have team meetings and they may hire workers all around the world, but they may have a team meeting maybe once or twice a year. They may have a time where they require you to come in and meet with your fellow teammates. So they do want to know, will you be able to travel if it requires that? They also ask you what your desired salary is. Now, I did look to see if I can find any salary information on this job. For this particular position, I did not see salary information. Now, I did see salary information for other positions at this company, but for a contract team assistant, I was not able to find any salary information. Now, they are hiring for other positions at this job. It looks like they also have a marketing assistant position. This is a part-time temporary position as well. It looks like they also have a project manager remote position as well in the United States, and they also have a test engineer position. It's a remote position. However, if you live in San Francisco, this is a plus. And it looks like they may hire internationally as well, because it looks like they have a remote work from home position as a project manager in China. And just over here looking at the locations, it looks like they do hire in other locations, but as far as working from home, they hire remote in China and remote in the United States. So if this looks like a good job lead for you, I encourage you to apply fast, as quick as you can. That's all I have for you today. As always, my best life and work advice is to acknowledge God in all you do, and He will help you. If God says yes, no one on earth can say no. So get out there, apply for the job, put in as many job applications as you can. Eventually, you will get the job that you need for this season. Till next time, I love you. God loves you more.